Let's make a natural stretch mark balm using just Vaseline and shea butter. It's cheap, easy, and effective. In your clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Add 1 tablespoon of shea butter. Mix everything together. After mixing, melt both together in a clean bowl. Place over warm water if needed. This combo deeply moisturizes and helps fade stretch marks with consistent use. Massage it on your stretch marks every night before bed. Stick to it daily and you will see changes. Don't forget to like and follow for more.